this? Let's go, let's go. The farm is near, so many things to see right here. What's this? So round and bright? Take a guess, kids, what this could be. A pumpkin patch, oh what a sight. What's this? What's this that rattles and sways? Take a guess, kids, what this could be. A wagon ride on sunny days. Wow. What's this? So tall and green? Take a guess, kids, what this could be. A corn maze twisting like a dream. What's this? What's this? Juicy and sweet. Take a guess, kids, what this could be. Red apples ready for us to eat. What's this? Goes moo and cluck? Take a guess, kids, what this could be. Cows and chickens, oh what luck. What's this? What's this? So big and red. Take a guess, kids, what this could be. A barn where animals are fed. We wave goodbye, the day is done. Pumpkin farm days are full of fun.